In manufacturing right now, there's significant changes happening. Facilities are being built at a record pace to prepare for growth. Sometimes the biggest value is forcing an organization to walk through the details of a process. We uncover a lot of low-hanging fruit in a dynamic environment. The model allows you to see things that are hard to identify or quantify in the real world. It also has the ability to use VR goggles so you could walk through what the production operation is going to look like. FlexSim is intuitive, and you can build very detailed models without having to write any code. Typically, we see an ROI within 3 months. The payback usually is pretty quick and significantly reduces a lot of the repetitive work